प्रकृति के हैं, ये प्रकृति हमारी है, इसका हम संरक्षण करें, ये हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है। नष्ट किया जो अब तक हमने बिना सोचे और बिना समझे, उस प्रकृति को मिलकर बचाने की अब हमारी बारी है, अब हमारी बारी। Hello everyone, myself Poonam from Team Nature Bodies. I am a young eco activist and our team works for the conservation of environment. When I say conservation of environment, then it involves all those eco-friendly activities like water conservation, energy conservation, waste management and biodiversity conservation to set a sustainable environment for future. I basically like to work more actively and calmly on biodiversity conservation because I feel that biodiversity is a very precious gift of nature to mankind. It has immense importance on this planet because without it no life can exist in this planet. Biodiversity has also served us from its very precious medicines and herbs to human beings to cure their health, and also healthcare facilities have been provided by the biodiversity itself. So presently the situation has become that worse that the biodiversity is getting extinct, the species are getting extinct, and we are losing a great part of our biodiversity every day. Now the situation has become that worse that today we can't speak about biodiversity without speaking about climate change. And when we are speaking about climate change, then we can't skip that biodiversity loss has been taking place due to this climate change only. So why this climate change is taking place? It's nothing a natural thing, it's a man-made thing. We the human beings have created this climate change because we did so many activities that harm the nature, and still we are doing the selfish activities which is continuously harming our nature. So from now we have to take a pledge that we should conserve our nature, because we can think that it provides us selflessly all the things we need, and what is matter is that what we return to nature. So here is a time for all of us to contribute ourselves in conservation of our nature and biodiversity. Friends, I think that if I could get a chance to change one little thing in the nature, and most importantly I will going to change the barren lands into greenery, because if I can change the barren lands into greenery, then ultimately all species depending on the greenery will regenerate, and if this species can regenerate, then the biodiversity is ultimately conserved. So how I can do this? I can do this by the collaboration of all of us. We all have to come together. Those who are listening this video, please start doing some green activities so that we can conserve our biodiversity. We have not to do some big things, we have to do small things. We can manage our waste, we can segregate our waste, we can plant saplings, we can protect the biodiversity we have, we can make efforts, a severe effect for its conservation, and many more things are there which we can do to conserve our biodiversity. So at last I want to share a message to all of you that whatever we do, even a small thing, it matters, because when these small things gets united, then a big change is possible. So please be united, get involved yourself in the eco-friendly works, and let's change the face of biodiversity. Let's conserve it together. It's our biodiversity, our nature. Let's conserve it together and secure our future.